1. What bird is known for its colorful feathers and can imitate human speech? A. Eagleb, parrot, penguin, sparrow. B. Parrot. 2. Which bird is the symbol of wisdom? A. Hawk, auk, crowd, finch. B. Owl. 3. What is the largest bird in the world that cannot fly? A. Ostrich, penguin, kiewit, emu. A. Ostrich. 4. What bird is associated with delivering babies in folklore? A. Stork, swank, robin, pigeon. A. Stork. 5. What bird is known for its long, curved beak and is often associated with tropical regions? A. Toucan, woodpecker, hummingbird, kingfisher. A. Toucan. 6. Which bird is known for its beautiful song and is a symbol of peace? A. Doveb, nightingale, cuckoo, canary. B. Nightingale. 7. What bird is the national symbol of the United States? A. Robin, eaglet, blue jay, cardinal. B. Eagle. 8. Which bird is famous for its ability to mimic a variety of sounds, including car alarms and chainsaws? A. Mockingbird, starlink, thrush, warbler. A. Mockingbird. 9. What bird is known for building intricate nests in the shape of hanging pouches? A. Swallow, weaverbird, oriole, swift. B. Weaverbird. 10. Which bird is associated with bringing good luck in many cultures? A. Magpie, bluebird, peacock, hummingbird. B. Bluebird. 11. What is the smallest bird in the world, often known for its rapid wing beats? A. Sparrow, hummingbird, finch, wren. B. Hummingbird. 12. Which bird is often considered a symbol of freedom and is associated with sailing sailors? A. Albatross, seagull, pelican, cormorant. B. Seagull. 13. What bird is known for its distinctive call that sounds like laughter? A. Magpie, kookaburra, puffin, loon. B. Kookaburra. 14. Which bird is often associated with the winter season and is known for its red breast? A. Robin, cardinal, blue jay, sparrow. B. Cardinal. 15. What bird is famous for its ability to turn its head almost 360 degrees? A. Eagleb, hawks, owl, falcon. Sea owl.